Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about the inheritance and variation. In the inheritance and variation, in these topics, inheritance and variation, which are the showing the some pictures in the slides. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the heredity and variation. In the pictures, you see the different countries showing their pictures. Now, in this Mendelian genetics, all living organisms reproduce. It results in the formation of the offsprings of the same kind. That means character are resemblant in same kind. The resulting offsprings most often do not totally resemble in their parent. Not totally. That is called as the identical, not identical, which are resemblance in some characters. So, in this resemblance in these some characters, the genetics is the definition is coined by the William Batson in 1902. So, genetic is the branch of biology. Genetic is the branch of biology which deals with the study of the heredity and variation. So, heredity is the transmission of the character from parents to their offspring. The character or the trait which is the transmitted from the one generation to the next, from parent to offsprings, is known as the heredity and is also known as the inheritance pattern. Transmission of the character of the inheritance pattern. Then a variation is the difference among the offsprings and with their parents. Variation is the difference among the offsprings and with their parents, or of the same offspring, which is the two offsprings of the same parent, among the two brothers, among the sisters and brothers, and among the two sisters, which are the not identical. So, hereditary variation, these are the genetical and inheritable. Hereditary variation is these are the genetical and the inheritables. Now, the Mendel's was studied in this university. That university is very popularly known as the Mendel University, Berlin. Then, in the church St. Thomas Abbey, Mendel Museum, Berlin. So, these pictures is a very popular because the Mendel's work is the very well known. So, Mendel's university, Mendel was studied in this university. Mendel was carried out the experiment in this church, behind the church. So, George Gregor Mendel, a father of genetics, was born in 1822 and death of the Gregor Mendel is 1884, which is the Austrian monarch, which are carried out the hybridization experiment with a garden pea plant. A scientific name of the garden pea plant is Pisum sativum. His work is published in the results, translation of the characters in the Natural History of Society of Berlin. His work is published. He regarded as the father of genetics. His devotional work on this topic is very excellent. So called as the father of genetics. John Gregor Mendel was called as father of genetics. So thank you so much.